Hello friends, are you duct contractors? Are you having trouble doing manual cuts for all these shapings? If you are having this trouble, welcome to ask us for this gorgeous machine here. With this machine, you have straight cut, shape cut, and marking function. All three functions in one machine. And here we have this control table where you can program all the shapes for the ducts in just 1 second. No need for extra programming. Beside the table, there is a control circuit with the powers you need for this machine. The table uses vacuum pump system, no need for clamp or roller to fix the panel, so there will be no damage on the board. And because we are using blade to cut the panels, there will be no dust during the production, just like what the routers will make. Do you want to save the cost on time, raw material, and labors? Of course you do. Trust me, this beauty will help you beat tons of competitors. So contact me for more details.